Welcome to another video. It is your one and only chubby princess, US-based blogger, Hotbox. Hey, hey, Hotbox 237. Represent in any dimension. Anywhere you want see me, even if I wrote you jam me, I will represent. Even if I two rope slippers, I will still represent because no beauty need the height. How wanna check out? My people, a lot of things they don't go on for our society, and I say no, do I want to drop video that only for moto or a voice over, so I say my cam broke on the coconut. But before I start, I beg, I don't tell when I for the house when I must follow my way no road. See, today now mommy Bridget Benjamin it birthday. As we the talk president, it for Sierra Leone with first lady, it chop it die now presidency for Sierra Leone. First lady na a friend. That's what they work. I said that picture you want see am na tall. Now wait you want see Obuja Benjamin. Enjoyment too much, mommy. See am in my next years for come. I want be like you. Yes. Man celebrity Nollywood people them. That's what they celebrate mommy Bridget Benjamin. They know the woman all over the world. Now that one I be see Diveshela. It try for pin this woman for a back for get more popularity. That way Bridget Benjamin want talk time today like one man soldier. People they know be the belief. They know be the yes and a lie. Don't man the lie. But ignorant a very bad thing because we were ignorant. Most of the granders were ignorant. They don't know the importance of this lady. This mommy, happy birthday. I wish you more years. Again, my people for still Bridget Benjamin. Una know say the version that be don't cause you man say he get some food the way na so a big where you know if you to wear short clothes. Una was in a beach. Una look the food for corner here. The one that they call an a shock. Hey, Makumba pikin de una mono. I said they call an a shock. For Kumba because of my friend and boy them. When they see woman wear jean trousers because so get a lie long thing. When they see woman wear jean trousers, they'll say, child, boo, the woman look it back foot, big back foot so na shock. Some boy they if you don't get big back foot, they follow you. If your foot no round, bulky, fine, they follow you. They call an a shock. When I say Bridget Benjamin, say I'm a clean. Na bitch you was say. We don't say na bitch. Na somebody can finish. Una see Obi talk to me, Oma bring a bitch body. But I be surprised for Waka. I dey see am with for our queen is show. The Veshela be alive the rotten. I need the cause you, but the Veshela, it is so bad. It is a pity. It is a pity. For see some person, I don't tell that people they crush others. They want look them. They no can stand for camera. You see only their face, so you see only signboard down for their skin. Their school don't rotten. It don't rotten. I go pass the Veshela a picture for here. No one will see am. You say somebody can make a man show a beach body. You do you sick the way they for your skin. You crush Bridget Benjamin. My we don't know about Bridget Benjamin. He get BBTV. Where now he move fear for this community with the help of the beehives. I go always talk about them. The beehive they don't move fears. Then the big five they don't come for give freedom of speech. When I say a lot of people they come out now for can talk. Feel free for talk. When I see my way the coach man Bridget Benjamin food they say if food they no fine. If food they one side for the cause or sick. Give you man is on sick. The woman just can't laugh. Because again a shock. If food don't say no more Bridget Benjamin you bought me. Because you see my food they know. Mommy, pushing the bond dog. You bought me, mommy, because we get a shock. Oh, where so to make brr. It's so that shock. I know they did. But if you see my way coach you see his skin. God know where they do it in there because they really time mommy to wear short clothes poster. He poster said that picture now ignorantly. When they don't post that picture, don't post that for someone to see. Because that time that thing be happen, so don't be share on my food this. Even why this show so big, they say no show, no show. Baby go so for a bitch, don't want to post a picture them. Now me I pick up because I remember things the way when they talk, they forget. I don't know that they has and they bring anything that hippo. Yes. Only shock. Mommy, I give you cafe because your place day. You must come mommy. I don't know you must come mommy. I don't take you by force. My sister Wendy, just taking her sister like. My people again. More give a moment of silence for a lot of things the way they happen for European countries. I work on social media. I hear say Germany and Belgium float where they take place for that areas then easy water. For the end of the video, I will put them on and see the various things the way they take place. You just should also Yamoto just go. If you imagine Yamoto just go. You just water cover you, house dey fall, all that kind of thing. This climate change, where I dey talk about and put the visit a lie. Now one that we happen for Miami, house job, water job enter inside house, putting the house down. Now this don't happen for Europe. No, sir, we will pray for our brothers and sisters in Germany and Belgium. I say Brenda show now we get to carry their boots young, then start well the tonto water they outside. That way sun the shine. You go bed for that, you wear a boat for your foot. That slap with the big you for that boat. So but for goose on slap me, say move that boat for your foot. And now we get to where they are both now enter that water they go walk. You know why that is they go stand the Kafka like ginger, stand for they say SS last show. Put that your boat now go for water. Go start waka. Una pray for our brothers and sisters them. But when their own already probably already be soft. We no need to pray for when they get to pray now that picking them. But when their own probably already be soft. Take their boat, alley, go walk. You know why I say until they dance, scatter buttocks, scatter of this so you split buttocks, scatter. People they confuse the camera. Camera the phone, the pick and make sure that buttock ID. The grand said this so better next time you go, no but put there this name, go cover there. You understand? People really understand. People really understand me. They understand me. My next topic now waiting. I say, they say brand ambassador do we Cameroonians in what have you call them? Ubi very. I don't understand. They put them how they call the girl Tyra like for try period. So me especially just take you say take I bet just advertises my product for some main time. Then I'll check whether I'll put you brand ambassador or not. Madam can stand for camera, they mock others them, they laugh others, they say it just comes social media nana, so they don't put the brand ambassador. What did they happen today? Why you no go live yesterday? Why you don't go live even today? I know say they feel pain. When they don't advise you. I know say both of that they don't advise you for a lot of things them. Because you say you be radical blogger, you dey coach people, you dey describe woman in last. They're very human, they win and they go to buy their oil. That very woman, when they get to shine for you, they wash you. You can't describe their last. I thank God most of them, they don't start to understand. I want to fail for understand, say, grand as a big lawyer and only for Diveshela. And Diveshela is a very greedy soul. You know, go like, I make Ghana, they support una fully. Ghana, then I wait to una no. Una wait to una with beg all sides. Now wait to una with pork nose. Now wait to una with chook skin. Now wait to una begging friend. Diveshela say, he grand as I for you one. All platforms where workers so why they support the Beshela like call on a follower they say grander. Like call on a follower they say grander. At the time now, we not get on our own base. Because the house now the house of the Biscayans. Even their CEO, now one of the big five, but my fans they remain the Biscayans. My fans they remain the Biscayans. And me the CEO of your Bontio. Yes. If I see for be the big fan of a brief freedom of speech, for be positive blogger, the cleaning of community will remain will stand. You need to see any kind one for day. But they Ghana the money understand when they do small thing for they can show. For you calm down, you advertise money product. May say I say no, you do a good job. May sign book with you. When I be sign book Wednesday, you be sign book Wednesday be brand ambassador. When they don't give 1, 2, 2, you don't gonna chaka. You dey see na maniaka na fire. The one na maniaka na fire where the lie say you dey sick. Na maniaka na fire they do you. Maniaka na fire dey for your last. So how you keep your face. Brand ambassador, all side and knuckles. You go take toe they sleeping and so me they see your food. So toe they sleep so like ginger. So they sleep so. No context, no nothing. So they can write on that say now which kind thing this. They went to only wrap behind so you look at so you say no, hey, you don't enter one chance. When they say you enter one chance. Then we apply for people they hate you, they coach people them. They use that when they put on that brand and that they damage the product, coach the product. Say the water product, they coach them. How that woman manage market? Who man when you go to buy oil, you describe their last, you describe the master that own them, you the coach woman them. How that woman go say, hey, Ghana them. And my last say now una be the highest dollars people them. It regret now. And no say that get picking the regret. Because now it is the time where it be in need. Una no day. And those time we the positive blogger go talk and now run go buy phone. Phone. Any mind phone. Una talk I can't talk when I say phone only minor phone. People don't say na level that. But na level that way it insult people the way they pass through they feel happy. People they for Dubai YouTubers them go feel up for give you phone, me use them. But it stand for the phone where it get them. They coach people how do my help manage happy. That first phone where he first spoil, so the person dey buy am for you, be dash away, beg the person, but the person take the phone, help me advertise my eyelashes. The person be give that phone wey don spoil, so say okay, I will give you the phone in exchange of say you go do me advertisement for my eyelashes. I go for a back video them, I be dey see other eyelashes wey be the advertiser. Now because of so now the phone don spoil, you don't work money for YouTube. Who side you go? You be map influencer. Who side you go? You know when you use them, you move the money for they go buy phone. You go wait. They will stand the coach do person that say if they do that. When I look out, I don't tell you so when you fall for Dubai and Dubai side will carry you. Now sign this of falling. You don't get phone. You can't stand so you don't pale. If you really chop you don't really pale. Back up. Back off for this thing. Do your normal vlogging, Emma. Now you don't see and now say their other friend na hindrance for you. You move away for your corner because now they on a 3 for one house. You don't sleep with you one bed for bongo for bed space. Now when you know say you get your own fashion, you get your own fashion. Then my point know something. Grand is the control of your private life. And wait till that hate that for the grand as it. They control your private life. Because for the Emma that they put their mop say we must take be black, we must take be run who hang up for a back, they go stay for house we rent them. They know how come they get if friend know how come they rent the house. Now so don't gather all money, go rent house, one day for chop, one day for buy data, one day for do this thing for buy phone. Be black you remember for day. Ghana they beg could have find money, una help una one of una baby Paris grandas, big sister, all to that beg. Hey, I don't say I say so maybe una meant to na charity. Ah, Papa God, Papa God. Una don't lost brand ambassador because of doing a bad attitude. Only no day for una for continue for buy phone because una want compete with others. So una want go rent house to Dubai. The other one they wait they Cameroon. They don't buy the ring light. They say they don't arrive. So they start cost anyhow. Since they reach 1,000 subscribers, we start watch our day for them for monetize them. Don't remain so. Una bring more cost. Una bring more cost for cost. Because na only so una go remain. Now only so una go remain at the tell una tell us so. The earlier una change, una start learn, una start follow people they know road, make they show una road, una not join the cause. Now only jealous people they be envy. People they don't like and make their friend they progress. Not them. They talk against them. Una see about this story for Mako. We get away Mako be not too mad and we don't show they get open naked picture. So I'm putting Mako that document where they talk about they say he make document person go die. You go so get go talk say Mako chop him money when one of the get away Mako be do the beg Mako may follow be love Mako say voice no the way una go for dope CRI show una go hear that voice them Mako even call for that show so never chop that girl money he make that girl a free visa he no chop that girl money because he be like the girl be the snapping nipple. Ay, Papa God I don't die. In exchange of visa they get snapping nipple he snap that. Yes, so see. Today you go stand you coach the Mako and Mako will help you. Mako too say no fit leave him. But he don't discuss with you woman now. He can't naka sell you for outside. Now outside keep your face. You this African label. They say label de Africano or African label. Una go for voice of the for dope Sierra. Una go wash am. Una go hear how it girls are wicked. Because a man no good the two you want. You know sex you just you go sex that man all kinds size. You go sex it either couple. You go sexy. Where you know say gay woman. How you hear am? It's sweet in talk. It's sweet. As no some people keep on a cackle them. But people before I want end the video, I go talk and I say, me, I go be the last person. If they say you decide now which kind I go be the last person for snap so my private part, also my part center for some CEO of some oil. And I lie you. My people, even though they can talk say una better snap their food, or if you know some place where it be private, no snap and send for see no for some producer. Now advice and they talk and they change any money or even advice. Even my put the white about that. If you don't snap your last show, no snap your last show. Yes, no snap your last. Because what are the talks? Una no say some CEO they will no call in any way. Kobos be advertise a product. Kobos be snap a private part. He send them. You know, so I never say they are black place. When the place we were fat, so they are black place where fat. You do this thing. You go with the skincare, go wash them. Don't talk explain and say that the place black oh, that the place black. You know the two they happen. Kobos too go should not open and snap and send them for some person. We will advertise the product. We trust the person, but that thing that partner we show now it take them. They get that holy now like blackmail. Because Kobos get a lot of things they show away for we talk and that time they say it be good his sister be go take this it be the advertise that product. Kobos will get a lot of things they will talk am. But because say if they under blackmailing, whether I part for his skin what I make it show for outside because they get if you put that for outside people they see am. Kobos should be quiet. Now, una see where they happen. The Veshela, aka dirty bed, snaps on a private thing for his skin. The don't say corocoro come his skin and all the kind. I don't know what a fungi. You don't chop his skin. Jesus. When you make mom say summer be summer. He snap am send am. How manage? His CEO leak that picture. That means again a very Congo sage. How manage he leak that picture for a site? When a different man take that picture, that screenshot where they get those screenshot for a phone instead of some person. The person also know how manage it leak. Business people don't get to be private. They take people that in a private level. You know the kind of people that skin they sell for a site. In as well as people they don't say saga they are they want they try to talk about the like negative thing because they want depress people them. You know, fine for send those type of pictures for our site. People they say they get product, the way person go trust in you, send his skin for you. You take either for blackmailing, you take either for use them against it, for use them against the people they fight against it. Because the picture don't leak now that the person send them. Person send it to you, so you carry and send them for different man. Even in your mass and not begin to send that picture. You take that Veshela korokoro skin, with rotten skin, where it rot in this smell. Even the culture now say the smell, who would deny? Because now you if you say your product, you treat people them, you carry and send up for the next person, every your best person up for them. Now it's situation happen. You call it your brand ambassador, then you sell his skin for outside. You call somebody your brand ambassador where you treat his skin. If you don't treat them, finish. When I can't show we say now end this so I don't treat them, you don't finish. No show only one way it be beating ya. Aye. Cameroonians. Describe something for your mop. Before you are snap and take camera, snap and send for some person. Say it treat it in. Even doctor. Cameroonians lack ethics. Cameroonians lack ethics. We don't have professional ethics. We don't have it. We don't. Medical philo, person will go take pills, move you belly, cast time camera, say, I give you money. Let me move you that belly. It talks in higher last day, describe her. You don't go consult a person, self say, you are 3 years skin, it's selling for outside. Then what are you guys talking about? What are you talking about? There's no ethics. We have to learn. Nothing. Only envy and jealousy. You blind our eyes, Cameroonian. We go remain only so. I not be first Cameroonian. We go remain only so. You go see a nurse, HND holder, higher national diploma. He go cast stand. Because they don't know small experience on nursing department. It cost people their last name. It cost people they had to move belly when he be the master of that. If you know some kind of how your own be woman, how many don't move and throw them. You can stand as a producer. You try to treat people their skins and their ankles, that one are waiting, knuckles, everything. They snap that problem you can't put that for outside. Or you send that for your friend and laugh. You go wait that voice note. Where you go come for show say, you don't do this, you don't do that. You don't come, they give small brand ambassador, make promote them. It's a bear. You can't take and mock others and say, no, get them. You know, you forget for work on your own body for shine. People when they advertise, when they advertise, they look clean. You can't stand with their cranky skin. The woman say, look at so where the advertiser, so it's self shame. Where are we going? Where? For take the oil, maintain your skin, you shine before you come. You can't laugh people them. CEO of the people, better to not follow them. We go be okay. Say I'm basically at the vex. I know what I made the video over long. I beg when I go look to a happen for Germany and Belgium. When I see how water the chakara all place. Now water will surely carry all this cam no go them. He carry them. You go throw them for Kumba water. Any country where they will go send that water for Germany and Belgium. If you green about America, you can't sweep it from their house. So they particularly let that house them with that bad product. You sweep so go enter for Cameroon, sweep now bring them. That's say you Isabel, you go enter that water for Germany. Now for Germany water, you don't struggle for travel, so you know if that water will send for your back, you go come also go pick it for Cameroon, sweep una for Cameroon, put up that water for Germany and for Belgium. Ha! Una wash them. I don't go. Bye bye.
Erlebt, ja, katastrophal. Meine Eltern, die leben nicht mehr, aber das Haus, die Leute, die da wohnen, man kennt die alle.